Ndị Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị, ekene m unu ọzọ, ekene m unu n'ụbọchị tata. Unu afụgo ka o si afịa ọtụ. Ana m ekene onye ukwu, ana m ekene onye nta. Tata bụ afọ n'ala Igbo. Anyị na-asị ka afọ fọtara unu ife ọma, fọtara unu ọganihu, fọtara unu ịdị mma, fọtara unu ịdị n'otu, fọtara unu obi nwanne. Maka na onye nwere obi nwanne ọma nwekwana ihe a na-akpọ ikwute ọsị nwanne ya. Maka na onye ọbụla nwere obi nwanne nwekwana ịhụnanya n'ebe nwanne ya nọ. So ana m ekene onye ukwu na-ekene onye nta, ndị nke batago n'ezinụlọ obi nwanne ndị Igbo, ebe a na-ekwu eziokwu na ebe a na-agbasa ozi ọma nke Chineke, na ebe a na-atụgharị uche ka ọ dịrị onye ukwu ma dịrị onye nta mma. Ọkwa na ọ dịrị gị mma, ọ dịrị m mma, udo achị ya na ihe anyị ga na-emezi bụ ito Chineke otuto ma ife ya ofufe. Ọkwasa ofu chi ka anyị nwere n'ụwa. Ọmụnwa bụ Maazị Ugwu Okechukwu obi nwanne ndị Igbo. Ana m ewetara na ozi ọma nke ụbọchị taata bụ afọ n'ala Igbo, afọ ala. Nna anyị bụ Igbo na-ekene, nna anyị bụ Igbo siri unu chetakwa na onye abụ nna unu na mbido na njedebe, maka na ọkwa na asịrị eto dike na nke o mere obekwa ọzọ. Ọkwa na isi nwanne gị na o mere ọfụma wee sị gị ndị eje na ọ bụrụ ndị Nsụka, ịghọtago onye abụ daalụ. So ana m asị na ọ bụrụ na nke onye mere bụ nke dị mma, si ya na nke o mere dị mma, ịkwado ya ọfụma, ekwuto na nwanne gị. Ọnya bụ isiokwu anyị n'ụbọchị tata, ekwuto na nwanne gị, ekwuto na nwanne gị n'ife ọma nke o mere na ife ọma nke ọ na-eme. Ebe ọ bụla ifuru onye mere ife ọma, kene ya ka o wee nwee ike imekwa ọzọ. Ọnya ka m ji wee na-agbara ọsọ. Pretending is what making us to be seen ourselves as enemy. Ịghọtago? Ka ọ hapụ ịbụ nwanne nke ọ mara, ịghọtago, na gị bụrụzi ajọ mmadụ n'ebe ndị ọzọ nọ ifuge. So mana ọnya bụ ya, onye ọbụla kwuru eziokwu n'ụwa, ịghọtago, ọkwa Chineke ụkabịa mana enyekwana ya ụgwọ ọrụ. So ana m ayọ unu nwa bụ Maazị Igbo, wherever you are watching, wherever you are listening, I say may God Almighty bless you. May Chukwu ụkabịa mekekerewa bless you. We are here to bring peace. We are here to share our minds. We are here to discuss as a one family. We are here to make our people to understand the needful and the way of how we can get our freedom. So I'm making unu bụ ndị Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị, na ọ bụrụ ife na-eme na-amasị gị na obi nwanne ndị Igbo gbasara anyị ozi a. Dịka m si agwa unu na adị m ewepụkwa okwu ma adị m echefukwa okwu m. Abụ m ezigbote nwa omenala ọdịnala Igbo. Ọdịnala Igbo m ga-akọwa ya tata, ụka m akọwa ya tata, because ihe ọbụla mmadụ na-eme n'ụwa a, ịma ha n'ihe na-eme, you don't need to be fear or listen to anybody. Many people will not like what I'm doing, but at last they must bow and like it, because ọ bụrụ mụnwa ọchị na-eme, ọ bụrụ mụnwa na-eme, m ga-ekwu nke eji bụrụ mmadụ rapụzi Chukwu ụkabịa ma nke ọzọ. So ana m ekene unu ebe ọbụla ụnọ m, wee na-asị na ọ bụrụ na abata na obi nwanne ndị Igbo, ihe anyị na-ekwu ebe a na ihe anyị na-aka ebe a, ka ala Igbo esi dị mma, ka omenala Igbo esi dị mma, ka njirimara Igbo esi dị mma, ka asụsụ Igbo esi binitekwa. Onye ka anyị na-ebe eme. So ọ bụrụ na ihe anyị na-eme ada amasị gị, nwanne gbakadọ, maka na anyị nwa apụtago na ya apụtago. Oke anya mafunata akụrụ na amara ndị kparị ya. This is where I stand. Onye na-azọ nke ọ bụrụ ajọ mmadụ, ọ ife na-emenụ, but anyị nwa achọghị mma, because anyị mara ife anyị na-eme bifo anyị abịa n'ikuku. So ana m ekene unu nwa bụ nwafọ Igbo, ezigbo nwafọ Igbo, gbasara anyị ozi a ka o jee ebe ndị ahụ niile fil na ha ma nụ, ka ha nụ ya n'ike, because ekwu mere ọnụ. So ọ bụrụ na anyị kwuo, ha wee mara na anyị gwakwarfa agwa. So anyị na-abịa na obi nwanne ndị Igbo, ebe a na-agbasa ozi ọma nke Chineke, ebe a na-asụ ya n'olu asụsụ ndị be anyị. A na-ebido n'ụlọ wee mara ma wee pụtaba ilo. Ọnya ka anyị ji wee bụrụ ụmụafọ Igbo. Nke anyị ga-ebugoro ụzọ dị mma bifo nke ndị ọzọ. Ị gaghị arapụ onye ọbịa tigbube nwa gị, adị eme ya eme. So ana m ekene unu si na-abịakwara m n'obi nwanne ndị Igbo n'ụbọchị tata. Tata bụ afọ n'ala Igbo, ka afọ fụtara anyị ihe ọma, fụtara ya ọganihu, fụtara anyị dị mma. Ebe ọ bụla anyị nọ, ka ọ fụtara anyị ihe ọma, fụtara anyị ezinụlọ ọma, fụtara anyị obi aṅụrị. Ihe ọbụla anyị na-emebe ezigbo ihe ka ọ na-emepere anyị ụzọ. Ya ka anyị na-ayọkwe na Chukwu ụkabịa ma nke kere n'igwe na ga n'onu anyị bụ ụmụ ya na-eke n'orie na afọ na nkwọ. Ise ọ kakwa mụnwa Maazị Ugwu Okechukwu obi nwanne ndị Igbo, odogwa na-ekwu nwere ifo na-eme n'ala Igbo. Ọ kwanụ ka onye si eme ka ekwesị akụrụ ya. Ịmara onye bụ ị gaghị atụ ụjọ na ijebe njem, mana ịmaha onye bụ ị ga na-atụ ụjọ, ị ga na-aga n'akụkụ ụzọ, because ị mara ebe ị na-eje. So ana m asị gị tete n'ụlọ ụmụ Chineke ụkabịa ma ka anyị jee zọtaba anyị, ba anyị bie ka mkpa, ba anyị bie na-apụ m ala, ba anyị bie na-eme na mpụta na soshal midia. Ana m ekwu ka onye ala, mana mgbe ndị ahụ na-ekwu ka ndị ala abụrụ ndị ala, a ga-eji mana ha bụrụ ndị ala On a that late. When our leader Mazen Namdekan started, everybody say shouting and ranting on radio. Go to Biafra land. He did everything. I started it again. Anything you are doing in Biafra land and you are not supporting Biafra, it is rubbish. Anything you are doing in Biafra land, you are not supporting this freedom in truth and honest, is rubbish. It's not acceptable in we that bloody Biafran Igbo people. No matter whatever you are doing, I don't care. Whenever, whether they worship God, whether they do omenana, whether they do church, whether they do business, if you are not supporting this struggle bloodily and seriously, rubbish, babash, and we are against you. We are totally against you. I can never hide my feeling. I have to give away from the Christianity. Give Caesar what belongs to Caesar. Let's give God what belongs to God. Which it means, werenke aine acho, werenke haji. Man, I'm not going but they are in our land doing what rubbish. Una our land doing rubbish. I'm not against of Christianity of Western world. I'm not against of them. I'm against of this Christianity that full in our land, corrupting the mindset of our people. This is why I'm against. And this is what I'm coming here to be telling you people, that I can never go back, whether you like me or not. I will be telling you, if you really know that you are Christianity, which is I practice, I know what is there. From there, I know that you people do wrong. Because if you people fulfilling what you people say there, things will be getting better. We will not be suffering and be going around the bush in this freedom struggle. How can somebody come and telling me to leave God to be fighting? Because when you told me to keep Christianity aside, that means you told me to keep my God. Because I believe in Christianity is God, it's there. How can you tell me to keep that in a way and fight for freedom? How can I fight for my freedom without my God? That means you don't even know what you are doing, what you are saying. Because every family that they have a problem have a solution. In my family, if I have a problem, I have to raise alarm. I'm raising alarm that we all call ourselves a Christianity. We are not doing it right. We are not helping this struggle. People are dying, people are completely humiliating, harassing in this struggle. But you keep pretending that you are Christianity, but you are a bunch of fools, bunch of animals. Who are you worshiping? Who are you honoring? Somebody that is loved themselves, somebody that loves us, somebody that gives us life, somebody that makes us to be living and breathing and be talking as we are talking today. When we say, he said that we antichrist. When we say we hate Christians. When we say that we should go back and be fighting our struggle and leave Christianity alone. How can you leave the rat that is destroying your property and saying that God will kill the rat? Have it happened before? Some rat is destroying our property, and we are telling you that rat needs to be killed. No matter who have that rat. Now you are telling us that we cannot kill the rat. That person that have that rat is a part of the family. So let all those things we have to destroy. The time we can wake up. Power to knowledge to reason like a human being. We cannot use because of you and condemn millions. We cannot use because of your favorite things to make other people to be suffering. It can never happen. I please my husband. I please him. Say I must be saying this thing because how can my people to be dumb, to be silent, because of what they don't even know about? They cannot even explain it. Because many people that are attacking me or saying some certain things on which is they are not even one or two. Is after I talk finish, they cannot talk because they know who spoke. Now I want to make you people to be followed. It's not by force to follow me in this program. It's not by force to comment. Everybody have the duty, and you must walk your own according to the God direction, not to evil direction. Because it's yoku na balanti. I say to Christianity na brofu. Then you people want the audacity to be still there. Even open is Christianity na brofu. Let me tell you one or two things you have to be doing. Because that is why I love IPOB structure. As I'm inside IPOB, making everything to show them that is, I will obey the laws inside IPOB. It is not made me that I will not tell anybody that is on top of me when he done wrong that he done wrong. Go and ask them. Immediately you fail, the rules you claim that you obey level or not. I will tell you because that is why it is good to ask a question. That is good. It is good to learn what you are going to put yourself into. Don't just jump into it because everybody already jumped. It is a winning party or a winning progress things. No, you have to know what you jump into before you waste a man. That is why I have my time and bring my power to be making you people to understand the deadly zone, the deadly moment, the deadly situation on the ground, or deadly plan from this our enemy. Because some people cannot tell you in the language as I'm speaking it land. Ụfọdụ just nọrọ na nsogbu adịrọ oje nwụọ onwe na ọdụm otu ala anyị chara na-emego na onye nwe ya nwụọ if self onye kpọm na fos nke ife nkwuru ife asị onye nwe ya nwụọ ihe a na-awụ akanye njọ 24/7. But this is not why we are here. If you are in Christianity, believing in Christianity, there is nobody is against you. God in heaven know. But if you are in that Christianity and join the leadership of that Christianity and fighting this struggle indirectly, we will dig you out. Of course, now, that is what makes us angry. Preach of goodness of the land of the rising sun in the land of where your Christianity build house. Preach the gospel inside that place. Make that man, make those people that agent of Rome, agent of Anglican, make them to understand they cannot say otherwise in our land. This is what I'm asking for, nothing else. Make that Christianity to become an agitation center that will agitate for peaceful in our land. Simple as ABC. If you know that Christianity will be there, support what we are doing, because that land, if people know it all over the world as a Christian land. That's why I'm pointing on the Christianity. You know the bad, you know the wrong. Why can't you stand on it? Simple as ABC. Stand for good, stand for truth. Stand. I don't care whether my mama say auntie. Work your duty. If you go to church, they will pray for unity of Nigeria. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You are fighting for Biafra. You are fighting. Do you know what is Biafra? Do you know the meaning? Today, ask me, those people that is good in Christianity, yes, I have got on a message. Yes, I appreciate and I respect that. But you don't have a great job to do. You don't have a more job to do. Very soon, after this today program, I don't care about anything Christianity do anymore. But any Christianity, any fucking father, any fucking bastard pastor that go and destroy what does not belong to them in the name of to deliverance in my fatherland, I must be attacked with my men. I got one before I demolish the church that reverend father or pastor coming from. That is what I will have to say to declare you people. I'm sorry for whether I say wrong for about you people that are claiming that you people are okay. If you are okay, work for your family. Don't let the mess of your family to attack my own family. I am not here to condemn you people that's good in Christianity. I know. You think I don't know? When they are telling all of us a terrorist, IPOB member all over the world is a terrorist. Did I run from the full video? Did I run from my life? Did I hide my face? I still pursuing them. I still fighting them with IPOB, with that label on terrorists. Today now, they are running about the terrorists. So when you stand for your family, stand strong. In bad and good, stand strong. So now we are calling upon you people that claim that you are wise and good Christianity. Go and warn your pastors. Go and warn your reverend fathers. Go and warn those people that do evil in your territory. Because anybody who do evil in territory of IPOB, we must and we know how to treat it. That's why you don't fuck up, come out. Do you think that I don't get advice from them? Do you think that I don't get a message from them? Everything I'm doing, they're giving me a message, they're advising me, and I'm following. That is why I can never go beyond. But what are you doing? After I accuse you, as you people accuse us for terrorists, after I accuse you, wait till you go tell your pastor. Wait till you discuss with your pastor and with your reverend father. That is why we are telling you what we are telling you. We are brothers, so let us unite and use a common goal to achieve what we are doing. As you are telling me to leave Christianity, then leave Biafra. Leave Christianity and fight for Biafra. Me, I challenge you, leave Biafra, fight for Christianity. Because Christianity is also freedom fighters. Because you don't know, that is why you are seeing your own in another way. But I know that my people get me well. No, they are using the brain hard, they can brain too low. If you call, they go say that you are against of this, you are against of that. Waiting that thing go help you. It's not against Christianity. Waiting go help you. I am against of Christianity that against of the of Rising Sun, the land of the Rising Sun. I'm against them. I'm against those people that use Christianity to dupe my people. I am against them. This is Christianity I'm against. So today, what we are talking, Ekutos is na manegi. Ekutos is na manegi. Ekuto na manegi. Manegi na emi homa. Gweno na emi homa. Onwe bi chori itunyeri azu. Itunyeri azu. Si amananka. Biko na eko esi wedi. Nekweri zinjikwe. That is one name. That is what we want to represent here. We are strong. We are strong in this freedom fighting. We are very strong. We are more than bloody strong. You can't win us. We love you. That is why we are just giving you small expo. We love you because when the thing will start, you will lose it. Even those people who are thinking that you are not defending Christianity, they will not help you. Never. They can never help you. But we are making you to understand, let us get our home first. Then we can create our own private Christianity, not this kind of Christianity that nobody can help you around the world. You claim you people are together, but no unity in your congregation. We know that we love God. Now we love God more than anybody in the world. Now Biafran people, Igbo people, precisely. Now we love God more than anywhere we hear God. Even anybody when claim say God tell them, you go to fear waiting the person they talk against that word. That is why when we are talking about Christianity, people think that it is the same that Jesus, that Obara Chineke walk very powerful like Martin Namdekan is walking. They always think that that is the person we are against. No. Odom Nazugu family. Any things when they happen for Igbo family, I'm a mom. That is why it will hurt me to talk and to go arrange it, so that it will not start again. And people will see that I'm working and making it good. That I'm not I'm a good person among of Ugu where they wrong. So you have to be doing it. Many people that is now understanding what we are talking about Christianity, all of them already Biafra a long time, IPOB long time. But the many inside there that making it worse. Let me tell you, the day I start against and be violent as I'm talking to Christianity, God showed me that problem is inside Christianity. If peace is not in my house, peace will not be anywhere. So where is that house? Now, I say, where is that house? I have a home. That is why I dey hear una message I dey get am. Those WhatsApp creators fucking bastard omenana and ordinary name wey Nkunu adim yen ji like Nkunu because na Nkunu self na unde jakuru na awusese kokoko. Because una dey just dey pretend, una just dey make things worse self. But a bit of this dot na no create sin na WhatsApp come one expect. You obre mgbakun do na agunu do omenana I choro. Ordinary ya na omenana bu onye emegbu na nwanne. Onye meni ihe ga-ewute nwanne. Onye chere nwanne ajọ ihe echiche. I saw ka ide ebe a bugheribe nonsense. Maybe no. I know when even during our own old father age, before we go fife, before we go for ọkọchụ aja, man ọ na-adị ka eshiri n'ọkụ. Ọ bụrụ anything ọ na-eme ka egbu ewu, anything ọ na ka egbu ọkụ, anything ọ na ka eje nka. And this thing is a blood, blood of animal and blood of you is the same. It is how we be sharing blood anyhow. People now will be even think it's common. If they see blood, they will not even fear. So some certain times you people they create, I just leave it because why I leave it is one thing. Because of my problem now. My problem is just for us to unite and get that Biafra. When you get that Biafra, now Parliament will discuss every thing. Majority carry the vote. If you not say that one will go better, you go better. If you not say no be better, you no go better. No one person cannot win the masses. That's why I just leave you people. But it is very, very annoying to me that Nandi ne create WhatsApp group, ne make her claim, na have Nandi ne protect ordinana, ne protect ordinana. Jezeba na fight one. This WhatsApp group will create ordinana. One guy will create ordinana. We have the guy they put and the guy they the same thing. This is why IPOB is great union family all over the world. Everything you need is inside IPOB. Everything. Some people now pretending they are doing it in IPOB level. But how did you love your neighbor? How did you have that OB1 are representing for people? It's very important. How can you going back home and still causing your people and still making your people to feel that you are still not one? Inside the same place, you claiming that it is the best. It doesn't work like that, my brother. One day, I'm passing when was the way you back with them? I'm not going to go now, young people. Now, this is the opportunity you have to do what you're supposed to do. How can you claim that you are doing Omenana? You are restoring Omenana, but you want your own platform to be great in a moment and Anambra or proper the same thing. Chineke me put no chiche. Name was only representing you represent Anambra represent him everywhere. And once you one central command, the same thing na le so block is FNK, but block is a popun can they also come and also support. Oh, you know what the Omenana. Naibi bobo amuriana naibi bobo onye igbo or something like that. Enwere ihe o mere o we create see families. And everybody jere all onye become na watch. Yeah, everybody jezi o nwere ihe o create there. O nwere chokoji we man that place. Obro do a stupid we make home megasa. So echi na nkuru we make no do no ebe ab highest. O nwere ebe highest. And o nwere ebe joke highest. No so any way highest. We are one in the face of God. And that is why we are fighting. That is why IPOB is one central command. This woman and way not bad everywhere. Don't make it to have a different categories. It doesn't work. Why Christianity is very division now? Because how divide the go? How many many categories? That is why Christianity cannot stand anymore. The day I noticed this in that, the day I'm against them. Because how can them divided Mbaka na konke, Okunele na konke, Jumeri na konke, Nda na konke, and if Patani they are not in peace. They hate each other. So, but now they claim saying I want God. You see, peace cannot be there. Because the God they claim they are with, they are not with them. Because Abu Naham were one joint union that unite, join all of them. Like Mbaka and Odosis, they are coming and they're using one central command, one central system. Any fucker welcome from your region, we will treat it together in the parliament. This is what I'm talking about. It's not just because of Namna Deba, because of Unuzanga, the same thing we need in Omena. IPOB have been showing people the structure to build a lovely God group. Everything everything in the program. I can never go beyond IPOB limitation. Never. Get the 1 week. Because before I mean enough for my downfall. If go because he be that kind of Bible now we all be ijine man go to say na e promi aye kwen kwa na ya ma major one e bando ndo even ije isik documents ya visa or e bando the country has ye mejupte kwe the country na yes ekwere mekwe okwu ihe eme ma di hojo ekwere mekwe okwu ihe siri ike ga make ye me we na ekwere mekwe e gbawukwa ndo with ndị ahụ in the border. Because you don't know what even you are doing. It's very important. All because of Akuzira history. Everything. And English I will survive. Not that is not our culture or our language. And what is not a language, you can never know it well.